Hey there. In this video, I'll show you to delete your YouTube search history directly from the YouTube app. Clearing your search history is a simple way to keep your activity private, remove old searches, and refresh the recommendations that YouTube shows you. Whether you're using an Android phone or an iPhone, the steps are very similar. First of all, open the YouTube app on your phone and make sure you're signed in to the Google account whose search history you want to delete. Next, tap your profile picture, also labeled You Delete, in the bottom right corner of the screen. This opens your account page where you can access your settings and activity controls. Now, tap the settings icon, which looks like a gear in the top right corner. Scroll until you find Manage All History and tap it. This will open your YouTube history page where you can view and manage both your search history and your watch history. On this page, tap the Delete drop-down menu. You'll see several options to choose from. You can select Delete Today if you only want to remove today's activity, Delete Custom Range if you want to delete history from specific dates, or Delete All Time to permanently erase your entire YouTube history. Keep in mind that deleting history in bulk may also remove your watch history for the selected time period. As a result, YouTube's recommendations may temporarily change, because they'll have less information about what you've watched and searched for. After confirming your selection, YouTube will process your request and remove the chosen history from your account. That's all there is to it. You've successfully deleted your YouTube search history and, depending on the option you selected, your watch history as well. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on notifications so you never miss future tech tips and easy how-to guides.